Another day, another story. FTX opposition to $1 billion Binance deal is hypocrisy and chutzpah, Voyager says. Binance's plan to purchase bankrupt crypto lender Voyager's assets has been opposed by FTX trading arm Alameda Research, federal regulators and a number of U.S. states. Bankrupt crypto lender Voyager has defended its $1 billion plan to sell assets to Binance US, calling criticisms hypocrisy and chutzpah based on unverified speculation. Two legal filings posted late Sunday night show. The plan has been opposed by Alameda Research, the trading arm of bankrupt crypto exchange FTX, as well as the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Department of Justice, DOJ, and numerous state-level regulators, with a hearing due to be held at a New York bankruptcy court on Tuesday. Doubts expressed by the SEC, alongside financial regulators from New York, Texas and Vermont and the U.S. trustee, the bankruptcy division of the DOJ, about whether Binance US can afford the deal are misplaced, Voyager said. Raising disclosure statement objections based on unsubstantiated and unverified media reports while ignoring the substantial information already made available to the objectors is a naked attempt to undermine the Binance US transaction and attack Binance US, the filing added. An attempt by Alameda to oppose the deal on the grounds that it breaches the hierarchies of creditors set out in U.S. bankruptcy law meets a still frostier reception. Alameda's objections evince hypocrisy and chutzpah at its finest and are frivolous, the Voyager filing said. FTX and Alameda had previously attempted to bail out Voyager, before declaring bankruptcy on November 11. Voyager only entered into the Alameda FTX loan facility based on Alameda FTX's fraudulent and false representations, it added, saying FTX's own attempted purchase of Voyager was a last-ditch effort to mask the holes on its own balance sheet resulting from their apparent fraud. FTX's new chief executive officer John Ray has criticized perceived mismanagement and poor record-keeping by his predecessor Sam Bankman-Fried. Bankman-Fried has pleaded not guilty to charges including wire fraud and money laundering. The filing also hit out at what it called a hypocritical stance from state regulators, who opposed a scenario in which residents of Vermont, New York, Texas and Hawaii would receive cash payouts while others would get crypto. They object to the fact that account holders in their jurisdiction would receive cash when it would be their own regulatory decisions, unless they decide to provide fairly straightforward, basic accommodations to their own citizens, creating this result, the filing said. Voyager, supported by a committee representing its creditors, said the Binance deal represents the best available option for those owed money by the estate in a volatile crypto market, and added that there were still escape routes to the deal if a better option was identified later. Voyager Digital, the bankrupt crypto lender, said Binance US has agreed to buy its assets for $1.022 billion, the firm said on Monday. The bid represents the fair market value of Voyager's cryptocurrency portfolio, which has a current market value of around $1.002 billion, and an additional consideration of $20 million in incremental value. The Binance US bid aims to return crypto to customers in kind, in accordance with court-approved disbursements and platform capabilities, Voyager said in the statement. Binance CEO Changpeng CZ Zhao had said last month that exchange's US wing would be making a fresh bid for Voyager Digital. CoinDesk had earlier reported that Binance was preparing a bid for the bankrupt crypto lender's assets. Binance US will make a good faith deposit of $10 million and will reimburse Voyager for certain expenses up to $15 million. Voyager will also seek the approval of the bankruptcy court at a hearing on January 5, 2023. Voyager, which went into bankruptcy earlier this year, had agreed to sell its assets to the now-defunct crypto exchange FTX, with FTX beating out rivals Wave Financial and Binance for the assets. VGX, the native token of Voyager Digital, skyrocketed over 32% after Binance won the bid. VGX was trading at about 38 US cents at the time of writing. Binance's BNB token also rose over 1% on the news, trading at $250. The news comes as Binance itself is being scrutinized. Last week, Binance lost its auditor, Mazars Group, and the recently published Proof of Reserves report that was requested by the exchange's community. This added to previously circulating concerns that the financial stability of the exchange is unhealthy. Binance is making a bold move buying Voyager, said Shaban Shaim, founder and CEO at Dream Soft. They are sending a signal showing the market that they have a strong resilience on the current bear market. The time will tell if they are bluffing, or they are not only solvent but also strong in their balance sheet. Thanks for watching.